We thank God for 40 years. No? 40 years ago, a miracle happened. No? Parang David and Goliath. Paano mapaalis ang strong man? No? But the irony of it all, we're back again. Together again. No? Together. Hindi na natuto. It was such a privilege. People power. We were made known in the whole world because of people power. No, talaga naman, bawat Pilipino sa bawat sulok ng mundo nung nangyari yung people power, pag may nakikita ang Pilipino sa ibang bansa, sasabihin, wow, you're a Filipino. We're proud that you're one. No? And we stood proud being a Filipino because of people power. What a gift of God to us, the Filipinos. 40 years ago, the whole world rejoiced in people power. And because of that, yung mga ibang bansa na-inspire at ganyan rin ang ginawa nila at nakalaya. Hindi natin alam ang epekto ng people power sa ibang parte ng mundo, sa iba-iba. Iba-ibang mga nangyari. Pati yung Berlin Wall, yung Iron Curtain, na-inspire sa atin, pati yung nagiba, pati yung maraming bagay, no, ang nangyari dahil sa contribution nangyari dahil sa regalo ng Diyos para sa buong mundo dahil sa people power. And then we have squandered this beautiful gift of people power. We did not learn full enough, kaya binalik natin ulit. Yung pinalis natin, binalik natin ulit. And here we are again, full of corruption. Hindi na natuto. The first reading today speaks to us about Yahweh appearing to Jonah the second time. The God of second chances. Lagi tayo may tsansa. No? And that is how the first reading began. Pero sa atin, ilang tsansa na binigyan sa atin? No? Hindi lang second, baka 100, baka 1,000 chances na binigay sa atin. What do we do about the many chances the good Lord has given us? What do we do about it? The worst tragedy of all is this. We all fall. We all make mistakes. Pero kung paulit-ulit lang, hindi na tayo natuto, yun ang trahedya ng ating buhay. Hindi tayo natututo sa ating pagkakamali. Paulit-ulit lang. Nangyari na to sa atin ngayon bilang isang bansa at mangyayari ulit, paulit-ulit lang o hindi talaga natin babaguhin. Yan ang kwento ng ating trahedya sa ating bayan kung hindi tayo matututo. It's a tragedy. And the tragedy continues because of many reasons. Primarily, we can blame many things. Kasi, di ba? Because of corruption, because of dynasty, because of whatever, no? Because of kamag-anak incorporated, because of poverty, because of hindi maalam. Hindi, no? Ang pinakaugat dahil sa kasalanan. Lagi tayo pumapasok, magpaloko sa demonyo at nanloloko tayo ng demonyo at patuloy tayong bumabagsak. We are all to blame, including the church. We are to blame because of conniving with the devil. What is convenient? What is the easy way out? May we learn from the many chances the good Lord is given us. Hanggang kailan yung chance meron? Hanggang kailan? Salamat sa Diyos, ang ating Panginoon Diyos ay maawain. Salamat sa Diyos. But let us not squander all the many chances given us. Let us make the most out of God's love for us. May we truly, in the season, not only the season of Lent, but in our lives, thank God for the chance magbalik loob, magbagong buhay, at mapalapit sa Panginoon Diyos. Amen.